Hey there, everybody in YouTube land. I've got another one. This old Dave coming back at you. Minn Kota Power Command. This is I guess you would call it the V1 series. It has the flat plug. The others that I'm seeing now is all round plug, and I think they call that the V2 series. But Minn Kota apparently does not make these no more, and you cannot get the replacement parts, the best I can understand. But I've had some problems with these, and what happens is this right here, it tells the trolling motor to go and stop, but you got your left right here. You mash down on the left, and it would not work. Mash the right on the right side, and it would work. So I'm going to get some tools and jerk this thing back apart and show you how I fixed it. So bear with me, I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have flipped this thing over, and so everybody bear with me because I do this from my phone. I don't do YouTube for a living. I'm putting some videos on here to try to help people out because that's where I get a lot of my information. So if, hey, send me some comments or some ideas too, for all you people that's out there doing these videos, because I'm looking to learn to do more. I have found that I get a lot of information off the internet, especially YouTube. So if there's something I can do to help you, believe me, I want to do it. And try to help build my channel and get some things like that. So what we're going to do, these 3 springs, well actually 4, I have one missing. So there's 3 springs here, here, and here. And all we got to do is just pop those things right there loose. And I'm going to jerk them loose because I'm filming this with one hand, so I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, I got those springs off, and I'm not going to go through all that detail. I watch videos, and people, oh, well, they're taking the springs off. They're taking the bolts out. They're doing this and doing that. If you're working on this yourself, you're mechanically inclined, you can figure this stuff out. There's supposed to have been 4 of these springs. There's only 2 on 3. There's only 2 on it, and 1 for the bottom right here. So here's what's going on. You get these springs off, and you pop your little cover off, like so. And you run into this little gadget right here. Well, I'm not going to tell you, this is a little booger to get out. I have found you have to really spread this back in that direction, get this up, and then pop it out. Once you do, there's some screws right here. Just take those screws out of it. But here is how I fixed it. There's a panel right here. If you can see where my screwdriver tip's at, there's a panel right here, and it's got like little tits under each one of these little white things right here. Well, I found that mine was not mashing down far enough to make contact anymore. I guess it has been used quite a bit. So I found me a little piece of tubing, really small, really thin, and I slipped it just right over the end of this right here and put it back together and tried it, and it made a world of difference. It does work now. It will go left. It wouldn't before. It will now. A little too good. It wants to hang sometimes because this is really a little bit more thick than what I needed, but it really did work out well. So if any of you out there is having problems with these Minn Kotas, hey, share my video. Hey, subscribe to my channel because we're going to have a lot more stuff on here. Right now, I am having problems with the drive as far as the speed control, I guess. The speed control is only working on about 9 to 10, and it's not working well. So I'm going to get that apart, figure out how to fix it, and hopefully I can, because I don't want to have to buy another one of these trolling motors. These things are very, very expensive, and I just can't afford to do it. So, but I'm going to try to fix this. Anybody got any ideas out there on how to fix the speed control? Hey, go ahead and shoot me something and let me know, because I need to figure out how to do it myself. But this will be my next project to do this, and like I said, I traded for me a pontoon boat. I had a Stratus fish and ski, and me and my wife wanted to get us a pontoon boat, so we've done had friends out on it. But this has been a little peel, and I've got a few things to the pontoon boat we're going to do, and maybe I can do a few videos on it also. So, anybody, like I said, anybody's got any ideas on this right here, send me something and let me know, because I'm going to take it apart and see if I can fix it, and if so, I'll do a video on it later. So I hope this helped anybody that's had this problem, because I looked all over the internet and couldn't find nothing to fix it. So, all right, I appreciate you. See you on the next one.